Welcome to this training video on Interpret SELDM, the post-processor for the Stochastic Empirical Loading and Dilution model, SELDM. This video and the associated software were prepared by the U.S. Geological Survey in cooperation with the Federal Highway Administration. In this video, we will show you how to calculate the concentration exceeded for an input risk value from all the analyses in a selected SELDM project. Once a project is selected, the first step is to select the type of output interpretation to do from the combo box. In this case, we will select the Calculate Concentrations from Input Exceeded Risk Percentage item. Now click the Interpret Output button. The constituent selection form opens. You can select highway runoff or upstream storm flow constituents. You can also select downstream storm flow constituents. For this demonstration, we will select a constituent from the Highway Runoff tab. We will select Total Zinc as our example. Now click the Do Analysis button. First, we will select the risk of exceeding a return period value. Please see the SELDM manual for the explanation on storm event return periods. In this example, we will use a return period of one event in 3 years because that is a commonly used ecological threshold value. When we click the Run button, the Interpret SELDM program digs through all the analyses in the selected project to calculate the concentrations associated with the input exceedance risk. The results of the analysis will appear almost instantly. Clicking the text box will copy the results to the clipboard. The tab delimited output may be pasted into a spreadsheet, word processor, or text editor. The program will launch a text box to confirm that the tab delimited text was copied. Next, we will select the risk of exceeding a specified percentile value. We must enter a percentile value between 0 and 100%. When we click the Run button, the Interpret SELDM program digs through all the analyses in the selected project to calculate the constituent concentrations associated with the input exceedance risk. The results will appear almost immediately. Clicking the text box will copy the results to the clipboard. The tab delimited output may be pasted into a spreadsheet, word processor, or text editor. The program will launch a message box to confirm that the tab delimited text was copied. You also may save the tab delimited results in a text file. The program uses a standard Save File dialog form. To save the tab delimited text, click the Save button. To close this form, click the Return to Water Quality List button. Now we can click the Close Form button to return to the main menu, or pick another constituent and do that analysis too. This concludes our video on calculating the concentration exceeded for an input risk value with the Interpret SELDM program.